You want to turn it back? It's getting hard. There you go. Brendan, how old are you? Oh, good. You're doing good? Okay, good. Good. Can you show one finger?
Can you show that you're 1 year old?
Only good.
No.
Can you say hi? Very good. Can you say shoes? Very good.
Very good.
You're looking at his feet?
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have any on right now.
Oh.
What else can he say?
Can you say supercalifragilisticexpialidocious?
Yeah, that's what it would be. Where's your nose, Brendan? Very good. Eyes, very good. Where's your ears? Yes. Want to show me my ears? Yeah, thank you.
There's the other one.
That's the other one. Very good. Where's your
mouth?
Oh, Daddy's ears?
Glasses. Where's your mouth?